guys, and welcome back again to my channel and to another video. So today I'm getting ready to do a craft fair, and I actually had a request from one of my subscribers maybe to do this video. So I'm going to share with you the process that I go through in preparing for a craft fair. So the first thing I think about when I'm doing a craft fair is the application and the cost. The fair that I am doing is only $10 to enter, but I know some fairs are a lot more expensive. Also, the fair that I'm doing does not have a deadline. You can actually apply up to the day of the fair. Some other fairs have a deadline, so that may be something you want to think about when you are looking for a fair. So once I have applied and I have got my application process finished, the next thing that I do is start making a huge list of all of the items that I want to sell at the fair, and whether that may be my farmhouse signs or decals, I just go ahead and make a huge list of everything that I want to sell. And I also put on that list the size of everything that I'm going to do, and I also put the quantity on there, and that way I will know exactly how many items I need to make and how much materials I will need to get to make all of those items. When I'm making my list, I also think about incorporating some seasonal items. Like this season is fall, so I know people will be looking for those types of items. Fall decor and Halloween decor, they usually like to buy this time of the year. So I will definitely put some items in there, and maybe even some Christmas items too, to add to my inventory. So once I have a list of everything I'm going to make, then I can just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up exactly all the materials I need. So then once I have all of my materials and I'm ready to start making, I'll cut all of my wood products from my signs, sand those and paint those, and stain all of my framing. That way I can just go ahead and assemble them all at one time, and it seems like the process goes much quicker like that. So once I have all of my lists completed, and even before I have all of my items done, I start thinking about my booth setup and what I want my booth to look like. The next thing I think about taking is a tent. Because this fair is an outdoor event, I definitely want to take a tent just for shade and protection for my items, and also a table. A table's handy for displaying your items, or somewhere to lay your business cards, to place decoration on, to create a certain theme or feel to your booth. A table is always very nice to have. Also take chairs just to sit on if I get tired or to eat lunch. And I'll also take a stool. I don't want to be behind my booth sitting slouched, while people are coming in and out. So I always take a stool to kind of sit up higher so I can kind of look people in the eye. So I needed some kind of display wall to display all of my signs. Me and my husband actually built a wall out of some 2x4s, and that's what I'm going to use to display my signs. So another thing that I did was actually print out some price tags. I just went online to Avery.com, Avery Labels. They have a bunch of different templates that you can use, and you can either put your brand logo in there, or you can completely create a new one. And it's very easy and simple to go ahead and just make those online, and you can print them out for free. And I actually printed mine out on brown cardstock paper, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, but I also believe you can get it at Walmart. I also went ahead and printed out some business cards on that same paper. They were easy to make. I just did a design on my computer and imported that design up to Avery.com and printed those out too, and it was free. And on the back of those cards I just put all of my info, my name, number, website, and all of that information. And something else you can do, and something that I'll probably do, is print off a custom order form. Sometimes, especially on local fairs, if people know you, they'll request items made. I know I get a lot of requests for signs. I can just write that down. And last, I think about what kind of payment system I have. I am going to make sure and take some extra change cash. So you just want to make sure to have enough cash to exchange when people pay you for the items. And I think I'm going to take around $100 to $200 so that I'll have that on hand. So another item I take just in case is just some kind of tarp that I can quickly cover my items if it was to get rainy or windy, and also some beverages, some snacks. I'll be sitting at a booth all day. That way you don't have to leave your booth. I won't have to leave my booth unattended. That is the process that I go through to get ready for my craft fairs. I hope you found it helpful and got some ideas and tips. If there's any part of this process you guys want more detail on, how I make my business cards or labels, let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I have a lot more videos upcoming in the future. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.